cool. And it says portable player and manual because you can put it in your pocket.
Nice. Easy to take with you.
It looks like it shows that you can get them in multiple colors.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like they brought back something from when my dad was a kid.
Yeah.
It looks a lot like it.
It's like a retro design.
Yeah, it looked exactly like this. It had a screen in the middle. It had little buttons on the side. It had a start and This looks really cool. Super games, fashion games. I'm gonna go super games. Start. Panda 2. Rider. Pocket Monster. Oh, that's Pokemon.
Oh, cool.